To install the independent version for Windows, go to our website, linkithelper.com/download. Click to download. Now right-mouse-click on the file and choose Show in Folder. You need to unpack the zip file. Now click on the three-dot sign in Chrome in the upper right corner. Go to More Tools, Extensions. Enable Developer Mode. On your computer, the interface might look different. Anyway, look for the Developer Mode switcher. It might appear in the upper right corner, and make sure it's enabled. Click Load Unpacked Extension. In the pop-up window, go to Downloads directory and select the file you've just unzipped. You need the Build Cloud folder. It may contain several subfolders such as locales, images, HTML. If among other subfolders you see another nested Build Cloud folder, then that is the folder you need to select. Those subfolders are important since they contain manifest files and other important stuff. Click OK. Done. You've just downloaded the independent version.